Howdy folks, my name's Eugene. In this video I want to show you how to set up different printer preferences that all go to the same printer.
We're going to go ahead and click on Settings. And then Devices. And then Printers and Scanners. And click Add a Printer. And if we wait just a moment, it's going to give us an option saying that our printer is not listed right down here. So I'm going to select local printer, click next, and the trick is as long as you select the same port, they'll all go to the same printer. So we're going to go ahead and click next. I'm using USB 001. But if this was a network printer, it'd work the same way. Go ahead and select the printer driver. It's a Epson SCP-6000 and click next. And I'm going to go ahead and use the drivers that are already installed. This is going to be a 24 by 48 printer, so a 24-inch printer. And I'm going to go ahead and choose not to share it and click finish. So now whenever I go to my printer right here, I click manage, and you can see that I have quite a few printers nested in here. Here's my new 24 by 48. I click printing preferences and go to user defined and set my roll width. It's 24. My height 48. Go ahead and save that. Click OK. Borderless and OK. So now from Darkroom, I'm going to go to printer options. You can see I already have quite a few added here. Click Add Printer. Scroll down to my Windows printers. Add Printer. There it is right there. And 24 by 48. Go ahead and click OK. And now, whenever I send a 24 by 48 print, it's going to go to that printer. Let's go ahead and add that package as well. So I have my 24 by 36. Click 24 by 48. I'm also going to set it as a quick print package so it prints a little bit faster and goes straight to the printer without asking me questions. Scroll down just a little bit. There it is. There's my package. When I click this, it'll send directly to the printer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been informative.